got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
How you been, man?
Pretty good.
What's your running in here, man?
We've got 6 Team EM5Ks. They're 4-inch coils, carbon coils. 3 Ampere Audio 7500s, all wired to house.
Plenty of them back there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, man.
Okay. You got another there? Huh? You got another? You gonna play another?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll go all day, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, man.
Where can I find you on social media anywhere?
Team EM Audio.
Okay, y'all be sure to give a follow. Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Good seeing you. Hey, you still rolling? Yeah, it's still rolling. Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me? All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
And you got the right equipment, that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.